Hi everyone, I'm Melissa, your friendly neighborhood yoga teacher. I'm going to show you some things that you have around your house that you can use as props in your at-home yoga practice. Often in the studio we have a block that we use to lift the ground closer to us when we're practicing triangle pose or half moon. If you don't have a block handy, you can use hardback books. So I have here Harry Potter book 4 and book 5. When I put these two hardback books on top of one another, I have about the same height. It's a little bit more though than the yoga block, but this could work perfectly as a substitute at home. When you're using a blanket at home, rather than grabbing a big blanket off your bed, get an Afghan or a throw. It's just less fabric to work with. You can fold your throw and you can sit upon it. You can fold it even more for a more bolstered effect. You can also make a blanket roll, which you can lay underneath your knees when you're practicing Shavasana. And speaking of Shavasana, don't use a pillow off your bed because it's going to give too much lift to the neck and take out space between the chin and the chest. Instead, reach for a smaller accent pillow or just use a folded towel. Now I'm going to show you how to use folded towels to make a bolster. You're going to need at least 4 towels. You might want to have 5. I already have 2 towels here pre-folded. I'm going to fold one more towel in the same fashion as this. So starting with your towel like so, you're going to fold it into thirds, taking each outer edge towards the center fold of the towel. So we end up with something like this. We stack the towels, 3 or 4 together. Then we're going to take one more towel and wrap it around. So I have my towel here. I'm going to set this out of the way for a moment. Lay this towel out on the ground. Find my towel stack, bring it to the center. All right, so once I have that centered, I'm going to fold each outer edge towards the center and wrap it. All right, and ultimately just wrap this edge around and under. And now I have a bolster. What's nice about using towels here is that they are more stiff and more supportive than just like the pillows that you might take off your bed. That's all. I'd love to hear your comments or questions. If you have any, drop them below. Thank you.